Hello, and welcome to my new studio. I'm about to level up creative money. I've been doing this channel on and off for the last couple of years, but never really being fully committed to it because I'm always working on other projects. Now I've decided that I want to take this channel seriously and I want to create more content than I've ever made before in my shiny new studio. Before, I've focused on investments, points, making money online, YouTube, affiliates, pretty much anything that makes you money online, and that's not going to change. I'm going to follow my interests and show you things that I get sidetracked by with all my shiny object syndrome that I have, and share them on here so at least then someone else gets the benefit from it as well. For example, for the last 3 months, I've been building up a presence on the Amazon Influencer Program, which is now generating me between $2,000 and $3,000 a month. I've also recently created 6 or 7 websites using AI that are also generating recurring income. These are things I haven't really spoken about, but on this channel, then I'm going to start talking about them. So if you're interested, then please subscribe and get ready for a whole new wave of creative money content.